In this video, I'll show you how to use green screen on CapCut. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your CapCut. What you need to do, click on overlay, click on add overlay. So I'm going to be using one of the green screen feature that is currently here on the CapCut. Click on it. I'll click on live photos. I'll click on library. I'll select from this option here. So you can see this is basically the green screen we just have here on CapCut. So what you need to do next, scroll like this. You're going to be able to see remove BG. So I want to remove the background of this my video. So I'm going to just click on it, remove BG. So you're going to be able to see chroma key. Click on chroma key. So you can come on here and select the place like you love to remove this. Right, so I want it to be like a full green screen here on my CapCut. Once you're done, click on this, then you can see how it's going to play.
So if your PC is showing, please unblock challenges.cloudflare.com to proceed.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.